Thanks for tuning in. This is Moxie and Niall Lynn, and we're going to do a little food taste test of Stella and Chewy's Duck Goose. Now, this is a raw food that you can defrost. It's still a little frozen, but it's really hot in the city here today, and Moxie kind of likes it when it's cold like that, when it's really hot weather. Right, Moxie Bear? So, we're going to do a little taste test so you guys can see that she likes it. Yep, she's eating. And I'll look at the bag and show you the bag. Here we go. It has an irresistible taste that dogs love. This is true for Moxie. It is 95% poultry and organs. It's called Stella and Chewy's, and it's called Duck Goose Dinner Morsels. So it is balanced. It has vitamins and minerals. It's cage-free, raw, no antibiotics, no hormones. It has fruits and vegetables, no grains or glutens or artificial preservatives. You're supposed to quick thaw it and serve it. Moxie, again, doesn't mind eating it frozen. And here is the back, so you can see what it's about here. And Moxie is 15 pounds, so she should be eating about 1.75 cups a day. And then over here it has the ingredients. Here are some of the ingredients. You can see I got it 40% off. I'll link below a link to this product. I forgot how much I paid for it, but as you can see, I got it on sale because I wanted to give it a try. Okay, Moxie, shh. Quiet, Moxie. Someone must be coming up the steps. So it has duck with ground bone, turkey liver, turkey gizzard, goose, pumpkin seed, all kinds of organic veggies and cranberries and things like that. So it's really, really good for your dog. You can freeze frame that ingredient list if you wanted to know more about it. And you don't want to let it, stay out. You want to put it back in your freezer. That's where it stays. Here it is. And Moxie, come over here, Bear. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Let's see. Did you like it? Yeah. Okay, sit, Moxie. Sit. Oh, you're such a good girl. It's all gone, right? Oh, yeah, she liked it. Okay, thanks for tuning in. That's our taste test. This is Moxie and Niall Lynn. Have a great day.